How can I go inside in a room full of people and I'm already 1 hour late? And I'm standing there in front of the whole classroom and everyone is looking at me. And I say, okay, let's do it. Because college is about trying new things. Okay. I kick the ball and I trip and I fall on my butt in front of 50 people. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Orvi and today I'll be telling you the story of my first day at the college. And might I say it was not the best one. So this was actually the day before yesterday. Today was the day 3 of my college. And the reason why I'm making this video 2 days after it happened is because I was still processing all the stuff that happened and it was not easy. So I guess I'll just get right into it. So my college was starting at 9 a.m. and I reached the college at 9:15, so I'm already late. The mail that I had gotten, it was written that I had to go to a Chanakya building. I had visited the campus before, so I knew where the Chanakya building was because that was where my admission process happened. So I go and that building is at the last of the college campus, so I had to walk 10 minutes there. I went, I asked where I go, which class do I go. I told them I'm from liberal arts. So they tell me I have to go to the first floor. This is the editor Orvi, and I wanted to say that if this person had done his job right, I would not have to go through everything that I did. So he is the root cause of everything that happened. I go, I sit, I talk to a bunch of people which major, the same default convo with everyone that we have on the first day. And I sat there for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, nothing was happening. People were still coming in, settling in. And then the orientation started. They first asked us to mark the attendance sheet and scan a QR so that we could fill a Google form. And there I noticed that my program wasn't there. There was MBA, BSc CS. I'm from psychology major. My major is business psychology. And there were all the unrelated majors and I couldn't find my major. So I started doubting if I'm in the right class. When the orientation started, they projected a video of the Shubharam event and there were people talking and all. But then something felt odd. I felt like I was in the right place, like I didn't belong here. Then I got up and I asked a senior student there. I said I wanted to check if I'm in the right class. And then he said, what major are you in? I said, psychology major. It comes under liberal arts. He said, this is not the liberal arts. Liberal arts is in the Saraswati building. And the Saraswati building is right at the entrance of the college. And I am at the back of the college. So I take my stuff. The room is full of like 200 people. There's the orientation going on. I get my stuff and I go out of the room. And then I have to walk 10 minutes again to get to the Saraswati building. I walk and I walk and I walk. And it was pouring. It was raining. I had worn baggy jeans and I had to lift them up like a princess. My one hand was holding the umbrella, other was holding my pants. With all this mess, I was walking towards the building. I finally reached the Saraswati building and I didn't know which floor to go to. I went up. There were, I think, 3 or 4 floors. I came down. I started searching. I couldn't find where it is. Then I finally asked at the reception. They said I had to go to the first floor. Then I go up and then I see that, yeah, okay, there's the liberal arts written there. And the classroom is full. The orientation is going on. The speaker is speaking. I'm still so embarrassed. Like, how can I go inside in a room full of people and I'm already 1 hour late? But I still muster up the courage and go in. Everyone is looking at me. And I asked the senior student there, where do I sit? She said you can sit anywhere. And there was not a single place left for me to sit in. Then I go at the back of the classroom and look for seats. There was no seat. Everyone was like, no, we don't have place. And then I come back at the front and I go to different row at the back and there's no place again. And then I come again forward and I'm standing there in front of the whole classroom. The person who was talking stopped and everyone is looking at me. And I'm drenched. My pants are drenched in water. A person comes, I guess it was a faculty, and they told the students on the second bench to shift and I had to sit at the edge of the corner. I'm half falling down, my butt is half out. but I had no choice. So I sat there. I got through the 1 hour of the lecture. I already missed half an hour or 1 hour. I already missed 1 hour, and I got through the lecture. After that, I started talking to the people sitting beside me and all. I had one friend, and then they said it was a lunchtime, so we started walking. We decided to explore the college. So we go and we walk through the campus, and there are all the stalls. Okay, so there are like 50 plus clubs, so every club had a stall there. They were representing their club and convincing everyone to join their club. So we go, and there's cultural club, there's a technical club, there's music club, there's dance club, there's a lot of clubs. We explore them all. Then we go ahead, and then there's the football club. There were two guys pitching ki, okay, we have a games, so you can come and explore everything. So we're like, okay, let's go. And we go, and then we get to know that there's a game type thingy where we have to dribble the football through the cones and then shoot it into the goal. I have never touched football in my whole entire life. And I say, okay, let's do it. Because college is about trying new things. Okay, let's explore. I'm in baggy jeans, okay? It's already hard for me to walk, and I'm going to play football. I said that I don't think I would be able to play in this. They're like, no, it's fine. You can do it. It's very easy. I'm like, okay, yeah, let's do it. I start dribbling the ball. It goes slant, and it goes at the edge of the ground. I run, and I get the ball, and I start to dribble again. And finally, after I got it through all the cones, I stand there and I have to kick it in the goal. I am in full confidence ki okay, mine is gonna go in. And my friend, she was also doing it, and hers didn't go in. I was like, okay, now I'll do it. I know it's gonna go in. I kick the ball, and I trip, and I fall on my butt in front of 50 people. There's a water puddle where I fall, and everyone's looking at me. Editor Urvi here again. And if it matters, I did score the goal, and the ball did went in. I guess that helped me a little to cope up with it. And I cannot tell you the embarrassment I felt in that moment. And then I somehow get up, and I have to walk back, and everyone's still looking at me. I take my bag, and the person there, one person asked me, are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm okay. I say to my friend, okay, let's go. And then we go. And that's it. I just walked out of there like nothing happened. That's not what I expected was gonna happen. And I hate that it happened. I needed 2 days to recover from this, 2 days to forget this. I'm okay now. But that's still a really embarrassing moment for me. After that, nothing much really happened. There was clubs that were performing. There was a dance club. There was also a band that really performed very good. And yeah, overall, the first day, it was fun, but it was also very messy and very unexpected. The second day was quite exhausting. And today was the third day, and it was quite fun because I got to meet new people. I also saw a few people from my previous school. And yeah, I'm settled in now, and the college is not foreign to me anymore. I know where the Saraswati building is, and I know where my building is. So I guess that's it for today's video. So yeah, that's all. I guess I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.